Don't fall over your stuff. Hey guys, it's Chris, and today is the day that my Amiga 4000 came in. So we're going to sit here on my basement floor and unbox this puppy. This seller has a knack for finding like Amigas, especially in Pennsylvania where I'm at. And I thought it was like the bare bones pickings, end of existence. Yes, I'm in my PJs, that's how I roll. What else is there to do during quarantine? Amiga 4000 keyboard with the small PS2-y looking thing. I swear this does look like a PS2. It's like the 3000 keyboard has one scratch here. Who gives a poop about that? We'll put that on the table right here. There's something leaking, something jumping around in there. One Amiga 4000 040, 1.76 meg floppy drive, blank port underneath, one chunk, power button, key lock. You know what? I have my keys when I worked on Amigas for Commodore in the 90s. I took from my 4000 at work, and I wonder if they still function. Warranty sticker. Let me get a screwdriver and take the cover off. Don't fall over your stuff. This does, unfortunately, still have the Varda in it. So we have a Macropolis Energy Star hard drive that went to the PAR. This is the personal animation recorder card. It also has the Sunrise 801012 sound card. Sunrise, yep, digital processing systems. Has the BNC S-Video. Yeah. Big mama. Holy crap. Look at that sucker. Digital processing systems 7438890 PAC Rev 2. I used to work on these a long time ago. People would come in, they couldn't get the hard drives recognized. It was a very specific brand of hard drives like the Micropolis at the time that would work with these. And now the death damage, which actually doesn't look bad. I'm going to zoom in here. Now lighting is a crap shoot on the side of where I'm at. I'm on my video game side. So it leaked around here, and there's some green here and there's some green here. The RPC 501, of course, and then you have like the chip RAM back here, and then 16 megs of RAM, or 8 or 4, I don't know. I got 2 slots free. They're not green at all. The battery is going to be removed, so don't flame me on. I know to take the Vardas out. Other than that, it should have a 3640 inside. The IDE hard drive is in there. It is a Quantum Fireball. Don't know the size. Someone wrote HD on the 4-pin Molex. There's your Micropolis drive and its massive old ABC cheap holder you'd get at CompUSA or Computer City back in the day. It is a Micropolis 2210 Alpha IDE, FB357 Alpha, high density, 1.76 megabyte or 880K. Commodore 3640 Rev 3.1 with a 50 megahertz crystal in it, so that means she's 25. 68040. It doesn't look like it's been touched. We're going to put this on the bench and get a closer, cleaner look at it. You can see more, possibly more of the greening on the battery area around the RPC 501, all the U891 right here. Of course, the bitch. I have to do this cap, clean up this. It doesn't look like it's etched through. I don't know when this battery leaked. I don't know how this unit was stored, but it's the last 4000 that I pseudo had to myself was at work 20 something years ago, I'd say 24, 5 years ago. And yeah, so she's gonna need a bath, she's gonna need to be cleaned up, and we'll get further into what it is and what it's got. But I just want to see what's up. So let's put it on the bench and see what we get. And I was looking at its birthday. This birthday is August 24th, 1992. Before plopping out this battery here, I'm going to clean up some goop just briefly. Green, that's the blood of the Varda. I don't even know if it works. This might be a $1,000+ bucket of shit. I'm sure my hot water heater will kick on just momentarily. Alright, so we have a Varda enabled Amiga 4000 040 that we just wiped its butt. We're either going to get a smoke show or something. So I'm just going to power light, hard drive light. So we didn't get a smoke show, but we didn't get anything else either. It is pretty crappy in there. Looks like there's a spill of some schmutz or something crummy right there. Don't know. Gotta take the board apart. Should. Or we can turn it on again. Hard drive sounds a little better this time. It still has the sticker on the front to peel off, which I'm not peeling off. Nothing. We're getting nothing. Power's on, but that's it. She did. That's a very expensive death. Be nice if it worked. No floppy. I get some spin putting it in. So, you know, what do you expect? Alright. I'll have to do the fish smell, and I will have to do, you know, other things. This has just been a basic unboxing. We'll get all this removed, junked, be prepared for another series. And so that is it right now for Project 4000. I just dropped 200 Q-tips. So, thank you for watching. I'm not even going to say hope you learned something. Hope you learn not to spend money like I do on frivolous, non-working purchases. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more of the new entry to the family. And there's water running down my pipes. Wouldn't be a video without it. Thanks for watching.